Hi, my name is Owen Carver. I'm the founder and creator of AllRise, a collaborative social news platform designed to create the most high-quality news for brands and communities. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AllRise to create headlines and articles so you can share news and information about your company or about exciting things happening in your community. So to start, I'm going to show you how to create a headline in AllRise. The headline is the most basic structure, and it's the best place to start when you want to create news about your brand or company. The example that we're using is of a teacher who's sharing information about exciting new things going on in a local school garden classroom. First, you'll need to log into AllRise. Once you're signed in, then you can click on the Create Headline icon at the top right-hand corner of any page in AllRise. Here's where you create the title of your headline, which is the most basic piece and is the only piece of information that's really required when creating a headline. But because we want to add more information to this headline, we're going to also create a description by typing that in the author notes section just below the title. And we're also going to add links to images and also other websites that we think are relevant to this information that we're sharing. Then we're going to add tags which are going to make it easier for other users to search in AllRise to find this headline. So if the school for this school garden is Crestwood, we'll add Crestwood and elementary school, as well as school garden and the name of the project that's taking place here. So once you've added all your information to your headline, then just click Publish, and now you'll see the final published version of your headline. Now that you've created your headline, let's take a look at where it appears in the stream. Let's return back to the stream by clicking on the AllRise logo in the upper left-hand corner, then clicking on Latest Entries to see what the most recent news and information is. And here you can see under Latest Entries, your new headline that's emerged, which is the most recent headline to be added to the stream. And now here in AllRise, anyone can see your headline, click on it, and give it a rating of importance or quality, and help promote this news and information and share it with others. The way that AllRise helps users and information connect and collaborate is through the cluster and article system. The way that a cluster is formed is when two or more headlines that are very similar automatically cluster in the AllRise platform upon creation. The benefit of combining the information means that now we have an aggregate of very similar information that actually appears as one object in the stream and allows that object to rise up higher in the stream to gain more visibility for all of that content. We've also developed an article system so that any cluster can have an article collaboratively written based off of the content of all the headlines that are part of it. What this means is that when there's some news or information event that takes place that many people are sharing, that the many different headlines that are created become one object in the stream that gains massive power and credibility, that rises to the top, and now everyone can see it and begin collaboratively building an article so that we have the most valuable source of information about that news and content. So now that you know what a cluster and an article is, let's take a look at how those things differ in the stream. When we look at the stream here, we can see that headlines are represented by a hollow triangle. Clusters are represented by a triangle with three triangles inside it, and an article is represented by a solid triangle. You can also tell the difference when you click on any object in the upper left-hand corner in the information bar. You also have the option to subscribe to any object in the right-hand side of the information bar using the subscribe link.